In front of me is Doogee X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!